I think it's time to get out of here. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Playskool Heroes Jurassic World. Here we have the Dino Tractor 4x4. Wow! It also has a beam to track the Dino Prince. The Raptor comes with a Raptor trap. We're not going to open this one now. We're going to be opening the Dino Tracker Copter. Get ready for epic dino adventures! Let's check it out. A cool Jurassic World worker. Let's check out this set. It comes with a human Jurassic World figure, a Triceratops, whose arms and legs both move. Wow, look at how far it can move. Oh my goodness! He's rolling in circles. That's a lot of flexibility. We also have the claw for trapping dinosaurs or rescuing them. Let's get a better look at the copter. It has this handle, and if you pull the handle, the propeller moves. And the track shows up on the ground. That's really cool. It has a spot that our rescue hero can stand in so that he won't fall out when they're flying the copter. This slides right into here, making it really easy to be able to catch a dinosaur, and it's very stable. Let's catch the dinosaur now. Let's give the Triceratops a ride. We've got our Triceratops. Time to take off. No losing the dinosaur. Nice dinosaur. Nice dinosaur. Roar! Ah! Wow, that was close. I think I hear something on my radio. Jurassic World, there is a dinosaur trapped on top of the cliff at the top of the hill. Come in. Anyone able to rescue? Oh, yeah, I think I could get him with my Dino Tracker Copter. Well, let's go. Yep, I'm on it, Tower. Let's go. Let's go rescue the dinosaur. Up, up, and away we go. I haven't seen him yet. Still tracking away. I don't think he knows I'm here to help him. Let's get him down. Great catch! Now let's get him to safety. Wow, it looks like the dinosaurs are waiting for their lost friend. Oh, look, it looks like he's happy to be back with his friends. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.